Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Perrine local and long distance movers near me. Providing the right services for your long distance move is our main goal. So, how do we make it happen? Allow us to break it down for you. First and foremost, our highly trained professional West Perrine local TM movers will assess your needs and develop a personalized moving plan tailored to your requirements. On the big day, we'll arrive promptly, fully equipped with the necessary tools and packing supplies. We'll handle everything from disassembling furniture to carefully packing your belongings, ensuring they're protected during transit. When it comes to long distance moves, 3 Movers takes the extra mile to ensure a smooth and hassle free journey for our clients. The process may differ from local moves, but our commitment to excellence remains unchanged. We begin by thoroughly assessing your moving requirements, considering the distance, logistics, and any specific needs you may have. Our experienced West Perrine long distance 3 Movers then develops a comprehensive plan, meticulously organizing every aspect of your move. We understand the importance of keeping your items safe and secure during long distance moves. That's why we utilize top notch packing materials and employ expert packing techniques to safeguard your belongings throughout the journey. At 3 Movers, we believe quality service should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer the best pricing options that align with your budget. In addition to local and long distance moving, our West Perrine moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.